Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to sign up for Ubank. So let's get started. Since the process is straightforward, tap open the Ubank application from your app drawer and from the main interface, tap on sign up. Tap on OK sign me up on the next page and click on the little box at the bottom of the screen. You will need to go through the information first. You must have an ID that you can verify. In order to join into Ubank, you will need to be over 16 years old, you must be an Australian citizen or permanent resident, and you must have one form of ID verification document and two forms of ID if you are under 18. So make sure to check on this little box at the bottom and tap on all good, continue, and then you will now need to go through 4 sessions in order to activate your account. The first one is to set up and create your password. Tap on the next button at the bottom and enter a mobile number that can be verified in the first text box, and then enter your email address on the next. After you are done, click on the next security code button, and on the next page, verify your phone number by entering the security code that you received via SMS. Once you enter the security code and verify your phone number, you will need to click on the next button at the bottom and set up a passcode for your account. You will be asked to provide personal information such as your full name, date of birth, residential address, contact details, and tax file number if applicable. Make sure to enter the accurate information as it will be used to verify your identity, and complete the application. After you are done submitting your application, then you will need to wait for the approval. The Ubank will review it and determine whether to approve your account or not. This process may take some time, so be patient with it and you will be able to sign up for Ubank. So that was how you can easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.